Hello everyone, welcome to Deals and Steals Family Consignment Sale. Today we're doing just a brief tutorial on how to enter items, how to transfer items, and how to just basically navigate the website. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to dealsandstealsconsignment.com, and that'll bring up our home page. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to click on Consignor and Volunteer Registration. You have never consigned with us before and you have never used My Consignment Manager for a previous sale, you're going to want to click Create Account. If you have used the software before and you have consigned before, you're going to want to register with that same account that you've used in the past. And if you've already registered for the current year's sale, you're just going to click Sign In. That's going to bring up your personal page. It's going to be where you can enter items. It's going to be where you can select volunteer shifts, where you can check in to drop those items off. Also where you can transfer items from different sales. View your settlement report from the sale weekend, and also where you can contact us. For this demonstration, we're going to go to Manage Items. And we've got just a couple items here that we want to enter just to give an example of how to do so. So the first thing that we've got is a men's shirt. So we're going to go here to Add, and we're going to go to Manual. We're going to look for men's shirt as the category, and the size here is extra large. So we're going to say extra large. And you want to be as descriptive as you can, because just in case that tag gets separated from the item, it gives us a better opportunity and a better chance to match that tag back with the item. So you want to be very descriptive. So here is the brand. We're going to say that it's a Ralph Lauren. And the description, it's a blue checkered shirt. We're going to say it's long sleeve. Then you're going to select a price. For this shirt, we want to say we want $10 for it. If you'd like for this shirt to sell at our half price sale for discount, you're going to want to mark this box. That would be $5 on half price day if it hasn't sold previously. And if you don't want this shirt back at all and you want to donate it, you're going to click the donate box. For this particular shirt, we don't want to discount and we don't want to donate, so we're going to leave both of those boxes unchecked. We've only got one of these. If we had multiple items of the same exact thing, we could click however many that we've got and say we had 5 of the exact same shirt. We could say add 5 items and it would create 5 different tags. But in this case, we only have one. So we're going to add, and that's it. You've got your first item entered. As you can see there, it's got your brand, it's got your description, your price, that you do not want it to be discounted and that you do not want it to be donated. Let's try another one. This time we've got a purse, a lady's purse. So we're going to find the category for purse. Size here is not applicable, so that's what we're going to select. This is Kalia by Carrie is the brand, and this is a large plum in color bag. We're going to say that we want $15 for this bag. If it doesn't sell, we want it to be half price on our half price day, so we're going to click discount, and then we also don't want this bag back, so we're going to click donate, and we've only got one. We're going to add. So it's super simple to add items. As you can see in the first, it took maybe 15-20 seconds to add each of those items. And then once you get ready to print, all you're going to do is select print. So we're going to select all of our items that we'd like to print, and then click print. this file is going to pop up. All you're going to do is just click on that file, and you want to print in multiples of 8. 8 tags fit on one sheet of cardstock, so you want to print in multiples of 8. That way you can maximize your space. As you can see, we've only put 2 items in, but here are those 2 items, and this is what the tag looks like. And so from there, you'll just print those tags. All right, we're going to get out of this, and we're going to go back to where we can transfer items. If you've got items from the previous sale or from another sale that are already stored, you can see those items here. We went to item transfer. You just click there, and all those previous items will pop up. If you want to transfer every single one of those items and you're sure that you've got them, just click that box, and you can click that transfer items now, and it's that simple. Do make sure, though, that if you are transferring from a different sale other than Deals and Steals, that you do use our colored cardstock. We will deliver that to you or drop that off to you, but we do ask that you use our color-coded cardstock. It helps us to sort when it comes time for that. As you can see, it is an easy process to enter items, to transfer items, and it can be a lot of fun as well. So if you've never done it before, go ahead and give us a shot. If you have any questions, feel free to click on the Contact Us box down here, shoot us an email, and we'll be glad to help you with anything that we can.